Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode and how to change the icon of the Monese app. As you can see right now I have a different icon for the Monese app and I will show you how you can change it. But first of all I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First open your Monese app and then go to the settings menu. And in the settings you will see the app appearance button. If you tap on it, here you have three kinds of settings. First of all, the dark mode. You can turn on dark mode, light mode, or you can set your system, which will mimic the settings of your app, of your phone or of your device. Then here is the app icon settings. Here you can choose from these different app icon designs. It's pretty cool that they have different ones. Let's see how this one looks. If I go out, yeah, it changes. So this is how it looks now. This is the app icon, and you can also customize your home screen. Here you can move things around to see what menu points would you like to see first and what later. For example, if I want to put my budget on the top, when I go back to the home screen I will see my budget on the top here. So that's it, how you can customize your Monese app. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.